Hydraquip is a fluid power distributor that has been in business for over 70 years. We are experts in all realms of hydraulic and pneumatic design with the expertise to help our customers create efficient and reliable products.
We create value for our clients and their unique applications through pump, motor, and valve conversions, hose kitting, custom manifold assemblies, and a number of other value-add services, including full system design from our Fluid Power certified sales staff.
Hydraquip is very well stocked across 5 major locations. We have ample inventory to offer flexibility when it comes to conversions, to be able to be very agile in meeting our customers' needs. We're not looking to be a catalog company and just offer part numbers off the shelf. We strive to go above and beyond.
So when I think about our capabilities, I think about our goal. Our goal is to be a single source repair center that our customers not only rely on, but they learn from. We invite our customers to participate in our teardown, build-up, and testing phase. It's the best way to learn the operation of hydraulic equipment. Lastly, we take a lot of pride in our test facilities. We have over 500 horsepower spread out throughout our Grand Prairie and Houston location.
Electric systems capabilities are pretty broad, but we have a narrow focus on Danfoss. So we have a UL 508 panel shop, which UL is guidelines for construction of panels, wiring, circuit protections. And then we progress into, we're a drives integrator, we're an Editron integrator, and we've been a +1 software integrator and hardware provider for a number of years since it was released.
My favorite part at working at Hydraquip is the support and reliability I get from my coworkers. We really work together and it makes for a fun, collaborative environment.
Working here is an absolute joy. It's like working with family. Everybody, you tell them a small detail, they'll come back and they'll ask you about it the next week. Everybody sees you as a coworker and as a unique individual rather than just a number. We are 100%
employee owned.